Okay, this is the second worked example on page 8, and it's a word problem, and sometimes students find these tricky. It's really just a matter of learning what the words mean and having a method to solve it. So you should have watched me use the formula on page 7 to redo the working using that sort of more formal structure. We use that sort of formal structure when we decode word problems. So let's have a look at the words. The length of each side of a square is increasing at a rate of 0.01 centimeters per second. Find the rate at the area of the square is increasing when the side is 8 centimeters long. So we know we're looking at the area of a square. Area of a square. Now I could use S squared, but look, I've got S down here for seconds, so I'm going to use L for length. Area of a square is equal to L squared. Now I also am given this rate here, and it is in centimeters per second. So this is length divided by time. So I'm going to call that dl dt because that's already a rate. So it's changing at a rate, dl dt is actually equal to 0.01. They tell us that, that's given. All right, we're finding the area that the square is increasing. Find the rate, sorry. So find rate, the square is increasing. And we want the area, sorry. So we really want dA, the area of the square is increasing, so it's going to be in terms of time. So we need to find dA dt. All right, well I've got an A and I've got a dl dt. Well, if I differentiated this, I would have dA, the change in A with respect to length. And that would be very useful. I really want dA dt, and if I had dA dl times dl dt, the dl's will cancel out and I'll end up with dA dt. And that's what I want. So dA dt, oh, dA dl, sorry, I haven't actually found that yet. So let's go back up here. If I differentiate this, a bit squishy in there, dA dl becomes 2L. 2L times, they gave us this one, dl dt, is that one, 0.01. And that gives us the rate of change of area as area increases over time is twice the length times 0.01. However, that's a general statement. We need to know at L equals 8 centimeters. So let's substitute that in. 2 lots of 8 times 0.01 will give us 2 lots of 8, 16, 0.016. And the units, well, this was in centimeters, and this is centimeters per second. So I've got centimeters squared per second. Area, centimeters squared over time. That's it. That method you use in all the word questions on page 9.